Good morning, student. Here your teacher Bhavna from the Eduban channel. Now, come with our 6th class, chapter number 1 from the science. Food where does it come from? Now, in the last class we study about we get food from there are the two sources of food. One is plants, other is animal. So here in this class we will continue with plant as a food part. Now, as we all know, we get many things from the plant. Like we get grains like wheat, maize, barley from the plant. We get spices like mustard, cumin seed, etc. from the plant. We get vegetable from the plant like a carrot, onion, potato and so on things. We get oil seed from the plant like a mustard, sunflower seed. We get the oil from these seeds. So there are the many things we get from the plants. But in this topic we will read which part of the plant is used as a food or as a source of food in this chapter. Now, plant stem as food. Now here first topic is plants stem as food. We eat many stems of the plant as a food source. Like example are potato, onion, garlic, ginger, etc. we use as the food, and these are basically the stem part of the plant. Now the second is plants leaves as food. We also eat the many plants leaves as a vegetable. Like here is lettuce, for example cabbage, lettuce, spinach, coriander, etc. Now the third topic is we eat the root of the plants as a food. Plants root as food. We also eat the many roots of the plant as a food. For example, turnip, used as a vegetable here. Turnip is used as a vegetable. Beetroot, sweet potato, etc. Now the fourth is seed. We eat plants seed as food. Like we eat cumin seed, pulse, maize, pulses, soya bean, beans, etc. Here, just take a revision. There are the many parts of different plants we are using as a food, and we are eating them. Like stem, we eat the stem of potato, onion, garlic, ginger, etc. as a food. Plants leaves, as a food we are eating cabbage, lettuce, spinach, coriander, etc. as a food. Plants root, we also eat the root of some plants as a food, like a turnip, beetroot, sweet potato, etc. Now here the plant, we are also using the seed of the many plants, like we are eating the seed like cumin seed, maize, pulses, soya bean, all type of pulses are the seed of the plant. Now next is plants fruit as food. We also eat the fruits of the plant, like a tomato, apple, orange, grapes, papaya, etc. etc. It means there are the many more fruit we are also eating from the plant. So these are the things we get as a food from the plants. So we will move towards the next topic. Even we are also eating the leafy vegetables, like a bottle ground, watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber. These also are fruit of the plants. So here we are eating the plant as a different ways. Now go to the next part of the chapter. And the thing is that how we get a new plant. You all are know there are the different mode of the germination of a plant. Some plants are grow from their stem, like a sugar cane, potato. Here you look here, if this is a potato, there is sometimes there is a small eye between them. If we leave the potato for the some time in the moist areas and the humid area, humid it means the temperature are high and there is a little moisture in the air. So in those time what happen? There is small plants, small green plants are grow from these eyes. If we cut the eye part and we put it in the soil, and leave them for the few days, what happens? The small plants is come from, and these small plants are start growing. So this is called germination. Germination. Germination of new plant. Sometime what happen, like we are having the pulses, how basically how to make a sprout. Sometime when we put a few amount of pulses in a bowl with a full of the water, and after the after the 1 day, soak them for the whole 1 day, and after the 1 day when we put the water out from drain the water from the bowl, so what happen, and leave them, just cover the pulses with a cotton cloth, and leave them for a 1 day or sometime for the 2 days. What happen if this is a pulse, it's a rajma, what happen if we soak the rajma for the 1 day, then drain the water, and 1 day it's covered with a cotton cloth, so what happen, this is a eye part here, and the small plant has start grow from this part. The same thing is happen with the gram also and the pulses also. This part becomes cracked and the new plant gets germinated here. So when we put this seed in the soil, what happen? The small plants start become growing, and we get the new plant from this. So this is a way to grow a new plant, and then the small plants, baby plants, that come from the seeds, the seed become a sprout, and sprouts are the very nutritious and having the high protein value when we eat them. So make a habit to eat the sprout in the morning or the suitable time which is suitable for you, but try to eat the sprout because it's very healthy for the growing kids. So thank you, and this is all about today's class. In the next class we will come with a new topic. Till then, have a nice day. Bye.